Hi. During the market hours at closing, I posted a tweet. उसमें मैंने पूछा था कि which all people are interested and in knowing my first trade, which I'm going to take and which I'm going to trade tomorrow morning. That's on 31st of August. उसमें जो interest show किए हैं, this video is for them. And maybe this will turn out to be a good trade. So there are two companies I'm going to discuss over here. Both of them are listed in NSE in the cash segment. Or let's do a quick analysis. So the first company is Sumitomo Chemical, and this is the reason I took this company is pretty simple. A few days back, you can see there was a nice consolidation. Just let me make it and then I'm going to talk about it. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो एक बहुत अच्छी कंसोलिडेशन में एक ब्रेकआउट आई थी, एंड आफ्टर द ब्रेकआउट इट केम फॉर अ रिवर्सल, एंड दिस वाज एक्जैक्टली a place where it got sort of validated about this breakout. And now then after that you can see again for the next 3-4 sessions it was just lingering over here, and there was no volume participation. And today is the first day it was able to give a very big candle and closed at the levels of 421. So going forward, I think this is a very good structure which we should be trading, and the reason for this is pretty simple. Is I मैं पहले मार्केट में और स्पेशली स्मॉल कैप मिड कैप सेक्शंस में जब तक स्ट्रेंथ नहीं आती है, I really am not interested in taking any trades. And today was the first day where we saw that there was some strength which came in. And so going forward, I think this particular company Sumichem is definitely poised to give us a very good return. So here you can see it's still fighting towards 430 levels, and I think you should be able to you should be tracking the levels of 430 and how it is able to move forward. Definitely this 400 levels is one of the levels जहाँ पे उसको बहुत अच्छी एक consolidation में एक अच्छी support मिली है, and maybe going forward it is slated to give us a good move in the very short term. So this was the actual candle which was formed, and I just waited for this particular candle to end today, and from there you can see that it was able to move and consolidate very tightly in the second half. So this is on a 4-hour chart. So in the very first hour it was able to give us a good move, and the second candle is trying to just hold the levels. This itself showcases that there is some potential in the stock, and maybe going forward this is going to give us a very quick trade. The second company about which I tweeted also is TIMKEN, and this is a Tata company, and there's a lot of good sentiments going around in the Tata sorry, this is not US, TIMKEN India. Okay. And this was the tweet which I tweeted earlier, and here you can see TIMKEN closed at all-time high. If you look into a monthly chart, so it closed at all-time high, and on the top of that there was a good volume participation, and it was able to move from 1600 to 1720 levels. So today it's just a very to the borderline. So going forward, कल अगर ये एक gap up से open होके say above 1740 1744 अगर इस लेवल्स के ऊपर अगर ट्रेड करना स्टार्ट करती है, then definitely this is going for a huge breakout. और ये breakout is going to come. You can see this channel was starting to form from May onwards. So it has been a few weeks, a few months, and then theoretically this is acting like a good region. And we would definitely be tracking TIMKEN की closing, just like we also were tracking IEX. Say for example, if you see IEX के बारे में मैं already बहुत वीडियो बना चुका हूँ, and today it was able to at least close at the channel boundary, and this itself showcases that this is a good trade, and going forward we would be definitely tracking IEX, say for example in the next 2-3 sessions, and any move over the levels of 485 अगर उसके ऊपर अगर वो ट्रेड करना स्टार्ट करती है, then definitely this is going for a levels of 500. The reason I brought up IEX is the structure is pretty similar since a lot of time this has been in this channel, and if once it goes for a breakout, then theoretically this should be in your radar. And this is the same thing which I'm seeing in Timken India, and here you can see that this is very near to the channel support, and maybe going forward there would be a good breakout, and if that happens, don't forget to take part in it. And theoretically from a target perspective, I think in a short term 2000 levels would be definitely achievable, at least from the technical parameters. One of the other things which I wanted to showcase is this particular level, and sort of इसको अगर थोड़ा सा ऊपर कर दिया. So if you look into this blue, so this was in a consolidation phase, and it was able to give a good closing, and today it was able to go towards the channel resistance. If it is able to come towards below 1700 and below the levels of 1680, so it comes near 1660 levels, and then it might be again a good trade to enter, or else you can definitely trade the momentum and try to play around with it, and take that in your stride, because depending upon the sentiment of the market, maybe this is how this particular stock will move. ये आप देख सकते हो अगर हम एक broader perspective से देखें. So this on Friday it ended at very near its channel resistance, and so today I was just waiting for it to see waiting for it to move, so that we would be able to track whether there would be a corresponding breakout, and it was able to hold that level from the morning. If you look for a 1 hour chart, you can see from the morning itself there was a good move, and then it was able to so this is on hourly chart, so you can see this was in a very tight consolidation. Whenever ये 1700 levels पे आती है इसको buying मिल रही है, which showcases that there is a lot of buying interest, and it was able to close at the levels of 1730, which is also very near to this channel resistance. Let's see if it is able to break. So these two companies, Sumichem and Timken, these are the two companies which I would be taking in the first trade. So my strategy is, as soon as the market opens and as soon as the stocks will start moving, I will keep on adding, and I will definitely be trying to book out profits as soon as possible. Thanks a lot for listening. Hope this video is going to give you some idea about the trades which I'm interested in for 31st of August. As always, आप अपने financial advisor से consult करके ही इन सब stocks में पैसा लगाइए. Thank you and bye bye.